Alright, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in for another video, man. We about to get to it. We got a ride reaction going on, my little brother. Man, I done had this car since last year. It ain't been a full year, but this is his first time actually about to ride in the car, ride in a turbo car, period. So, hey, little bro, what you expecting, man?
He think that shit about to scare me. I don't know if I can cuss.
It's too late now, it's straight.
He don't think it's about to scare me. I mean, he think it's about to scare me. It ain't gonna scare me.
Hey, look, he got an
But
L10 itself, man, like a bad truck, too.
go ahead and drop the clip right now.
Drop the clip?
Yeah.
He already know. We dropped it. So y'all see, we just dropped the clip, man. He got a bad L10 all motor, small block.
Yeah.
So naturally aspirated. But we about to take a ride in John Jones and all that, man.
See what we about to do. We about to get into it. And then y'all gonna, he might let me take the thing for a spin.
Yeah, look, with that same video, we gonna do that. Nah, he gonna drive it. He gonna drive it. He gonna drive it. Look, his YouTube is on the screen. Hit him up. He the one that do all my beats and all of that too, like I said in a previous vlog. So hit him up. But yeah, we're gonna do that too. I'm gonna let him drive it. This my little brother. So I'm gonna let him drive it and all that. And y'all about to enjoy this and we'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we leaving the shop, Joe Buddy Racing. I know I say this all the time, man. Some of y'all been on me too, boy, in the comments about them tires, but yeah, I gotta get some tires. Done. I gotta get some tires, man. I know y'all. I appreciate y'all too. It's a safety thing, but it ain't wet. It dry today. You know, we're gonna get the speed up, but it should be good. It should be good. I think my little brother reaction about to be
Right.
Please comment below.
I done rode in some fast stuff.
Yeah, he really have though. He really have.
It's different when it's on hard tires. And it's different when you on the passenger side anyway.
Yeah, everything feels different on it.
So what? I'm gonna put my seatbelt on it.
Hey, look.
Make sure my seat.
Hey, this your first time riding in a booster car too, ain't it?
Yep.
A turbo show. Yep. First time riding in a turbo car. That turbo feel different, man.
I'm about to see what this thing feel like.
This thing here gonna be crazy. Then we're gonna do a circle, and then I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna let him drive it. We gotta do a first gear pull though.
Yeah, we gotta do a first gear pull. So do the first gear pull, and then I drive.
Yeah. Then we're gonna switch up, and we're gonna let him drive it.
So I can see what the hell going on.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta feel it from the driver's seat. Right. I been told, man, we supposed to been doing this. Both of us be moving around a lot of stuff.
He hit me up the other day talking about, you gonna be on work? I said, oh yeah.
Yeah, look. He already knew what time it was. I'm like, yeah, boy, it going down. Man, I think after you drive it thing, you gonna want a turbo where you gonna put it
after the dyno, I'm like, man.
Oh yeah, he came to the dyno session with me too, so. See, we can run up on that clock or something, man. First, get it. We left some lines back there, boy. Hey, we left some lines back there, just know.
When I say it's some smooth power. Oh yeah.
Look, that's what I've been trying to tell people, man. In the people be on the comment like, man, that car slow. That car.
When I tell you it's smooth power and it like
it's straight smooth horsepower, man. Like the suspension on the car so good. It's
smooth.
It look like a little Sunday stroll or something. So I'm about to let him drive. I'm about to switch seats. Come off out there. That leg foot. Oh yeah.
oh, I gotta run through the shift.
gotta kind of pull on so you get the feel of how hard you gotta pull it. Second, third, alright.
Now when I want to go up, I just
Back up.
a second.
Yeah, as we get in high gear though, you know, you just ride, cause you have to get the speed down. The shift it back up.
Right. So we in first.
Yeah, we in first. Then you just pull back. Get real simple. Go to it. You a driver. You a driver. Come on.
Yeah, I'm going to. I just want to see how the shit
See,
works.
see the silver.
Yeah.
Okay. We got a nice little straightaway right here. This one of them old ultra legendary roads right here. We used to be on. Yeah, now we're gonna get to it. Second. Yes, indeed.
Alright, here we go, y'all.
Let's get it. Go. God damn. Oh boy.
Okay.
We went on a roller coaster.
Okay.
Ride.
Let's see. Hey, y'all should have seen this. That more. Hey,
Let me let the water down, boy. How did
when I tell y'all,
we was all over the road.
when I tell y'all that turbo got some power,
That boot came in then, boy.
when that boost is different.
Oh boy.
When I tell y'all,
we was everywhere, boy.
we all over the road.
We should have.
We was all over the road.
Y'all should saw that on the outside of the camera, boy.
But let me tell you something though.
I know we made some face. I know I made some faces, boy.
Hey, one thing about it, I did not get scared.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, what gear we? Yeah, we gotta get back to the shop after that one, boy. Boy, that's a first. That's a first ever, boy.
Let me tell y'all something. When I let out of it, it was like I let out of it a little bit too late. That boot was still on that ass. That bitch said, whoo! I said, okay. Let's see. I said, okay. I said, okay, this thing want to dry today.
Hey, look.
But look.
You see how I be telling folks that boot different though.
Oh, that boot different. When you dealing with like a natural aspirated motor,
it's different, man. It's different.
all the power would have been there, so it would have been like,
Yeah.
I'd have been like, okay, now let's do it.
That's what I was telling
But dealing with that boost,
Nah, man, it just gets started, boy. It just get warmed up.
yeah. But it nasty though.
That thing is nasty.
It nasty.
I told you, man.
It nasty. And that's why I'm gonna tell y'all, my daddy passed away. But he always told me, when you're dealing with a car with power, get into it in the middle of the road. And that's exactly what I did. I got into it in the middle of the road. I wasn't on one side of the road. If we was on one side of the road,
it been ugly, boy.
yeah, we been off the road.
Yeah. We was in the middle.
I put that thing in the middle. And when I eased down into it, it crossed up a little bit.
Yeah, boy, we will.
Yeah.
Y'all might be able to see.
Yeah, y'all might be able to see it. I don't know.
We're gonna have to go straight, man. Yeah. Got a funeral coming by. I don't know what y'all do very well. We pay our respect though.
Right.
Funeral come by, don't move, nothing. You sit still. Even though we can turn,
We ain't
respect,
gonna turn.
man.
You gotta pay the
Just respect, man.
But back to the old turbo LS thing. This thing got some power. And it's funny because he been telling me like, little bro, you gotta drive.
Yeah,
You gotta drive.
I've been telling him ever since I got it. You gotta drive this thing.
And it's on hard time now. And I done laid down some more. I done laid down some long Mars and
Yeah,
it won't get out of it until it stops. But this thing here, you gotta get out of it.
Yeah, you really do.
Yeah,
It won't stop.
Yeah, it won't stop.
spinning.
It wasn't gonna stop spinning.
Nah, they trying to just get started. Cause boy, by now y'all saw the dyno video, so y'all see that torque.
Yeah, this thing wasn't gonna stop spinning.
Nah, this thing make 800 some foot-pounds of torque.
It wasn't planning on stop spinning.
Not at all, boy. We were gonna keep going.
Hey, we're gonna end up in the woods over there. Cause when I say this thing caught sideways and it was like this, boom,
all the way, boom, boom, all the way sideways.
I'm glad it got some good steering on it though, cause
yeah, it's a good.
It came back.
Good handling car.
Every time I threw it, and I counter steered, it came back. It came back.
I know the thunder is epic, cause I know I made a fade, boy. I know I made a fade, boy. We came back.
Y'all need to get this video. We're gonna say 10,000 likes.
10,000. Yeah, we need 10,000 likes.
10,000 likes, not views.
Not views, man.
Likes.
This is the first time ever, man. I already knew it was gonna be ever when little brother got.
And then I'm gonna tell y'all, Buck was like, Shit, boy.
He talking about my cut. He talking about cut. Look crazy.
Yeah, Look Crazy.
Wilkes edition.
Right. Y'all go check out his YouTube. He was like, bro, I'm telling you, bro, that thing different, bro. I'm scared of it. Me? Nah.
Yeah.
I had to find out. I'm hard headed.
Man, that boost, man. It's something to learn to drive for real. All right, look, we back, man. Hey, I'm telling y'all, we could have been on the outside of that car.
Hey.
Cause it got real. Look, what you think about the car?
The car got power. I can really honestly say it's probably about the baddest thing I done drove. Like, for real, cause when I got in it, and it like the tire, when it hit the tire, you feel like it just straight, like, okay. And when I grabbed second, that bitch said, it was on then. But y'all saw in the video, this thing got some power though. Old John Jones bad.
I told y'all, man, this thing, look.
John Jones bad.
This thing was crazy, man. I wish y'all could have saw. I wish somebody could have had a camera on the outside. Like, that was the craziest ride ever, boy. It had to be in my little brother too, boy.
I gave him the crazy ride reaction
in my own car. Like, no lie, boy. I'm talking about no lie. I can't wait to get home and open the GoPro and see my face, boy. Like, that was crazy.
And then I cut my eyes over there, and when the car was sideways, we probably threw about 6 S's.
Easy.
We threw about 6 S's, and I looked over. He was over there like this.
Yeah, I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
Like, I was driving the car from the other side. I was like
this though. That thing got some power though.
Oh, hey,
It
boy.
got some real power.
It been a fun day, man. I tell you, it had to be my little brother, like I said, that had the most epic ride reaction ever, boy. This junk was crazy, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Well, stay tuned in and all that, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.